So I've got a new mould and a new product. Let's see how we do. Hey folks, welcome back to our channel.
Hello.
So this week I've got a new mould from Let's Resin. A link is in the description, and the product is something called Fairy Dust from Homeware Design Co. Again, the link will be in the description. So this product is designed for use with eco resins. I personally use AquaCast. It's my favourite. I have tried the others, but AquaCast is the one that I absolutely love. And what you do is you replace 30% with the fairy dust powder. So, for example, if you've got 100 grams of eco resin powder, you replace 30 grams with the fairy dust. Easy. So, with this mould, I thought I'd try something. Now, I've not seen this done, but I'm pretty sure someone somewhere has done it, and there's probably a very good reason why people don't do it. But I don't know, so I thought I'd have a go. I decided to use UV resin and put that into the fingers and the eyes. The reason I did that is because AquaCast will stick to gloopy resin. So as long as it's not fully cured, it will stick to the AquaCast if you pour the AquaCast second. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So I made some nice purple glittery UV and poured it in the fingers and did the eyes. And then it was on to the
mixing of the
AquaCast, which this particular mould, if I remember rightly, takes 7.7 fluid ounces, which which as you can see, there's me working it out, like what the hell is fluid ounces in grams. So I did 300 grams and then took off
30.
No, it's 30 grams per 100.
Oh, okay.
And I did 300 grams.
Oh, see, that's maths.
I did 90 grams of the fairy dust and 210 grams of AquaCast.
Yep.
And then
well done.
You're welcome. You're very welcome. And then I mixed in the appropriate amount of water, just a smidgen, and then just poured it in. And then, like all good AquaCasts, you spend a good amount of time.
I do notice that you have to
banging and shaking, and or as they say, gently agitating it. So I called it a few names. That didn't work, so I give it a good bashing.
Give it a good jiggle.
Give it a good
bashing. Because the bubbles don't rise, do they?
They do rise, but if you tap it and bang it like a chocolate orange.
I've never used it, so I prefer resin.
I know, but yeah, if you give it a good tapping, all of the bubbles come up to the top.
There's the whisk.
Those don't diss the whisk. It's an awesome whisk.
Yeah.
So yeah, and then look, I was really fortunate because I think it's Helga at Homeware Design Co. She, along with I purchased the unicorn colour, and she also gave me 3 free samples of the other 3 colours, which are Candy Floss, Mermaid, and Sherbet. So I was really curious to see what they look like. So I made 4 little trays for each colour. I was particularly interested in this product because anyone who's ever done Terrazzo knows that it's quite a faff. You have to make the Terrazzo
broken bits.
Yeah, but if you want it in a particular colour, you have to make those colours first,
and then smash it all up.
Then make sure it's all nicely in small pieces. Then you mix it in, and then you add it and you sand it, and it's quite the faff.
It's not a small feat either, smashing that stuff up.
Oh no, because you don't wait till it's fully cured to smash it up.
Yeah.
You do it before. Anyway, I thought this might be a really good possible alternative. So that's why I was really excited to try it. It's not expensive at all. It's really good value for money because, like I say, I bought
That giant
the
bag.
giant bag that I got, and then I had three very small free samples, and those did those 4 trays easy. And I've got a smidgen of the free samples left over, so I could do something else like candle holder or something. But anyway, this is me not the next day, a couple of hours later, demoulding. And as you can see, my cunning UV plan did not work.
So
Well,
what went wrong there then?
I think I overcured the eyes because I did the eyes and then they were effectively fully cured, which is why they didn't stick. But it's not a problem. It's a really easy fix because I'd have done UV on the other way round I'd have done UV now anyway, so it's fine. I think with hindsight, I'd possibly use paint.
I think paint would have been. I don't know because I like the shiny at the.
But I like the sparkly.
Well, you can get sparkly paint.
Really? Have you got sparkly paint?
Yeah.
Ooh.
You can't use it though.
Why can't I use your sparkly paint?
No, it's paint.
Well, we'll see about that. So that was the demoulding of the face mask, and then the 4 little trays that I did. So I can't remember what order I demoulded them in.
This one's the purple one.
So that's unicorn. That's unicorn.
Although it doesn't look very purplish from there, but you've got to
but
do stuff to it, haven't you?
Don't forget, once you've sanded it and then you've waxed it, it brings out the colour. Sealing brings out the colour.
Yeah.
Waxing in particular, I find. So there's that one. This one, this is the sherbet colour. It's a real nice kind of orangey.
What's that?
It's just a bit of flake.
Oh.
That's all.
Okay.
So that's the sherbet colour. It's really nice. So I really like the sherbet colour. That's quite a dramatic sort of effect as well. I really like that one.
And then you forgot to record the other 2.
I might have forgotten to record the other 2. It's not like me at all.
And this is your repair job?
Yeah, I thought I'd have a little repair job. You know, nice and tidy.
Is that UV?
That is UV.
Okay.
As the clue is in the UV lamp that's just there. Look, see?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't see that.
Yeah, it's like magic. So that's just that. Yeah, I was just trying to kind of tidy it up a little bit. I mean, it's for me anyway, so it doesn't have to be like super perfect.
Oh, I guessed that when you did it in purple.
Well, yeah, it's to go on my bedside cabinet so I don't lose my glasses, because I'm forever losing my glasses. Well, I don't lose them, but I put them down and then I feel for them in the morning and I stick my thumb right in the centre of the lens and then spend all day.
Knock them on the floor and
knock
almost
them
stand
on the floor.
them.
Yeah, well, yeah, I do that. So I thought if I had a special little tray just for my glasses, they will potentially not break. But who knows? Who knows? So this is my least favourite part of anything patterny with AquaCast, is the fact you've then got to sand it, and I wet sanded.
I think that's one of the reasons why I don't fancy it. It's just because when you do resin, you give it a bit of a trim, and that's it. Whereas you've got to sand it and then
we don't
wax it, and
I mean it's only when you do these sorts of things that you have to sand it like that. But this is me just putting the wax coating on. I was really pleased with how it turned out, and then I thought I'd wax my little trays
after sanding
again. Yeah, there's a lot of sanding, but yeah, it's quite rewarding, I find.
I think it's quite nice to see them once they've done, once you've done the sealing and that, you can see the colours come out. But yeah, AquaCast, you can't use like the vibrant inks or anything, can you? Because
you can make the colours quite vibrant, but it depends what pigments you use. I mean, Homeware Design Co. Her pigments are exceptionally pigmented. But yeah, so that's my experience. I would definitely recommend this product if you like Terrazzo and you want something that's a little bit more subtle. I would definitely recommend this product. I was really pleased, and I'll definitely be buying some more. So
shocker.
I've put some glamour shots at the end. Let us know in the comments down below whether or not you've tried Terrazzo, whether or not you give fairy dust a go, what your thoughts are. I'd be really genuinely quite interested to hear, because I do like my eco resin, don't I?
Yes, you do.
Yes, I do. Particularly like my little whisk.
Yeah. A little whisk.
Leave the whisk alone. Right, glamour shots coming out. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
And if you've enjoyed this video, please do feel free to hit the like button, and we'll see you in the next one.
Yeah. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.